Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by powering the Sveston watch and phone. Make sure the watch has at least half charge so updates won't fail. Once done, install the official Sveston app and give it necessary permissions for Bluetooth and location. You should put the watch into pairing mode, usually hold the side button until the pairing screen appears. Now open the app, select Add Device and scan. You'll see the watch ID appear. Tap to initiate pairing and allow any permission prompts that follow. Once paired, the app walks you through permissions. Grant location, notification access, and health data syncing so the watch can communicate reliably. You'll sign into or create your Sveston account to store settings and backups. Make sure credentials are entered carefully. Next, the app may check firmware. Install updates immediately because firmware stabilizes Bluetooth and sensors. While updating, keep the devices close and do not exit the app. After update, follow prompts to set time, units, and goals so measurements sync correctly. You're nearly done. Confirm that steps, heart rate, and notifications show correctly in the app and on the watch. Once synced, personalize watch faces, set alarm times, and toggle which notifications to forward so the watch fits your routine. Make sure Do Not Disturb isn't blocking alerts. If something goes wrong, try restarting both phone and watch, toggle Bluetooth off and on, or remove and re-add the device in the app. Finally, if necessary, perform a factory reset on the watch and repair to clear persistent issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.